Okay, hello everyone. I hope all of you are safe. So today our topic is principle of pattern multiplication. So what is pattern multiplication? So what is the statement and what is stating means? Now here I am reading the statement. Just listen. So the radiation pattern of an array is the product of the pattern of the individual antenna with the array pattern of isotropic point sources, each located at the phase center of the individual source. So this is the statement and principle of pattern multiplication. So now we will analyze. So what is the statement? So we will analyze this one. So just listen carefully. So we will understand this statement in a clear manner. So here I have the array of antennas, horn antennas, array of antennas. These are the array of antennas which are separated by a distance d. Okay, so these are the array of antennas, and I have located some isotropic point sources into the center of this array of antennas. Some point sources. These are the point sources. So we will we will see. So what is this statement saying here? Okay, so I am taking the individual antenna. So I am taking this single antenna, individual antenna, and this is the corresponding pattern of this individual antenna. Okay, I am taking one single antenna. So this is the corresponding radiation pattern of this single antenna, and here I am taking again the group of point sources, that is array pattern. So the group of point sources. So this is the pattern of this group. This is the pattern of, so this one. So this one is pattern of these group point sources. Okay, so by multiplying this individual pattern of this antenna with the group pattern of this point sources, you will get the resultant radiation pattern, this one. We will get the resultant radiation pattern, this one. So this is the statement here we have. Okay, again we will read, you can understand. What is that? The radiation pattern of an array, the radiation pattern of an array is the product of the pattern. So the radiation pattern means this one. So the radiation pattern of an array is the product of the pattern of the pattern of the individual source, product of the pattern of the individual antenna with the array pattern of isotropic point sources, with the array pattern of the isotropic point sources. So this is the principle of pattern multiplication. Okay, so further we will see. So here I am taking the some point sources, isotropic point sources. For example, if I take 2 point sources 1 and 2 separated by distance d, so this is the radiation pattern of these 2 point sources. For example, I am taking. Okay, next again I am taking 3 and 4 point sources. So this is the radiation pattern. So if I combine all these things, 1 2 3 4, so 1 2 I am taking as a 1 point source, that is A, and 3 4 I am taking as a 1 point source, that is B. If I take by separated by distance lambda, so the radiation pattern of this AB is this one. Okay, so by the principle of pattern multiplication, here you can observe principle of pattern multiplication. So this is the unit pattern, means 1 and 2 unit pattern, and multiply with the group pattern, you will get the total pattern. This is the principle. If you multiply the unit pattern with the group pattern, you will get the resultant pattern. So this is the statement of principle of pattern multiplication. So where we use this principle of pattern multiplication, what is the advantage and what is the need of this pattern multiplication means, in the designing of antenna arrays, so when you want to check the resultant pattern how it would be, you can, by applying this principle of pattern multiplication, you can observe the resultant pattern of the antenna arrays. When we are going to design an antenna array, you want to know the resultant pattern how it would be, you can apply the principle of pattern multiplication with unit pattern. By multiplying the group pattern, you will get the resultant pattern. So in the designing of antenna arrays, so this principle of pattern multiplication will be useful. So let's see the in a equation format. So this principle ni, so let's see in the equation format. So let E is the total field, and EI of theta comma phi, So this is the two angles we have. This is polar coordinates and azimuth angle. Two coordinates we are taking here. EI is the field pattern of individual source. EI is the field pattern of individual source, means this one. Okay, and EA is the field pattern of array of isotropic point sources. EA means field pattern of array of isotropic point sources, means this one. Okay, EPI means the EPI of theta comma phi means phase pattern of individual source. Okay, so for this one, what is the phase pattern? That is EPI, and EPA is phase pattern of array of isotropic point sources, means this is what is the phase pattern of this group of array of patterns. Okay, so then total field pattern is E is equal to EI of theta comma phi into EA of theta comma phi, means EI of theta comma phi means this one is multiplied with the EA of theta comma phi means array of field pattern, this one. Okay, into here we have included the phase pattern also, that is combining. So these two phase patterns are combined when we are going to get the resultant pattern. With the multiplication of these two patterns, we have to add the phase pattern of this individual one and phase pattern of this array pattern also. Then you will get the total electric field pattern equation like this. Okay, so this is the total electric field pattern. Okay, I think you understood this one. What is the principle of pattern multiplication? Means the radiation pattern of an array is the product of the individual point source, individual antenna pattern, and with the group of point sources pattern you will get the resultant pattern. So that is the principle of pattern multiplication. I hope you understood this one. If you have any doubts, please comment. Okay, thank you.